Here is StonePay. We want to break the credit score paradigm and become a global community-led B2B business trust app. StonePay does not work like credit score apps. Simply sign up and open your company profile. Start to input transaction terms, and StonePay will send notifications and confirmation requests for you. Every behavior is reflected in StonePay score and points. Awards, badges, and titles help to gamify the experience further. That's your reputation. Your rating is private, secure, and always under your control, unless you choose to share it with someone else. Our goal is for your StonePay rating to become your next-gen business card.
With one app, we aim to cover the B2B world. Term payments are the heart of the global B2B economy. Many transactions are settled by term payments, paid over time. For this reason, many business people all around the world face the same crucial question.
Can I trust you?
Late payments and missed term payments are the bane of many trading businesses. There is a lack of timely financial information, which leads to a lack of trust between lenders and businesses. The most common way to assess financial risk is to rely on external reports, issued by credit companies who have control on the financial health rating. Our competitors today are credit insurance companies and credit score agencies that provide financial risk analysis. Rating is managed, controlled, and dictated by others. StonePay business model is to get to critical mass, offering a reputation rating free for all. Our plan is to go from freemium to premium by the end of 2023, where we'll generate revenue with a broader offering and more services. Our goal is to become an acquisition target for financial institutions and insurance companies.
Our team comes from a real business world, people like us who understand international trade and is a challenge very well. StonePay is a mix of a deep business experience together with a new technology.
We have released the StonePay app and web interface, the reputational rating system, and our proprietary algorithm. Today, we have a fully functioning MVP solution. Now we need the resources to build the APIs to accounting software such as QuickBooks and Xero for seamless integration. Launch the app from the UK to the rest of Europe and list clusters to boost community growth and develop the first premium features. We have an ambitious roadmap ahead. Reach millions of users in less than 3 years and become the credit qualification standard for B2B commerce.
Make StonePay revolution happen. Invest now.